This is an unboxing video for Allstand, a simple laptop standing desk made by Readydesk. It ships in a plain brown double-walled cardboard box to protect the wooden pieces that are inside. Right when you open the box, you see that there are assembly instructions and some information framed up by the wooden legs that run the perimeter. You'll see there are 3 assembly modes, and the instructions show you how to easily slide the pieces together. Also packed alongside the Allstand are 4 rubber feet that adhere to the bottom of the Allstand so that it protects whatever surface you may be sitting it on. And of course, a Readydesk Flying R sticker. The instruction sheet also includes a short backstory on Allstand and how it was inspired by the larger Readydesk standing desk. You'll find things such as the fact that it's made in the USA, the load capacity, and how you should not use it as a step or a seat. Finally, the third layer of the packing is the Backstop Bar, the cross brace, and of course the main shelf. To start assembly, set the cross brace down with the notches facing up. Then take each leg and press the notches together so they slide together evenly in a nice flat bottom. Do this for both legs. And then take the backstop bar and the shelf and insert the backstop bar into the 2 holes. Now slide the shelf into whichever notch is going to meet the height that you want, whether it's at the seated height and you have an elevated screen, or at a maximum height so that you can stand up and use your laptop while you work.